In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find community ideas on Tradingview. We'll walk through where to go, what you're looking at, and how to make sense of what you see so you can discover useful insights quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the Tradingview homepage. Once you're there, look at the top navigation bar. Next to the products menu, you'll see a section labeled Community. Click that. This takes you into TradingView's social and research hub where traders share charts, thoughts, and analysis. Inside the community area, choose Community Ideas. This is the main feed for crowdsourced chart ideas. You'll notice several key sections across the top of this page. Popular highlights posts that are getting the most attention right now. Lots of views, likes, and comments. It's a fast way to see what the broader community is focused on today. Editor's Picks is a curated stream selected by TradingView's editorial team, typically featuring clear charts, thoughtful explanations, and teaching value. If you're looking to learn from well-structured posts, this is a great place to start. For you is a personalized feed that adapts as you interact on the platform. It becomes more relevant over time as you engage with symbols and authors. Following shows ideas published by the authors you've chosen to follow, giving you a consistent view of voices you trust. Let's open Popular to explore what's trending. On this page, each idea appears as a card. You'll usually see the symbol, the time frame, a snapshot of the chart, and a headline that summarizes the author's thesis, bullish, bearish, or neutral. Pay attention to the published time and time frame. A 5-minute idea ages very differently than a daily or weekly chart. You'll also see engagement metrics like likes and comments, which can signal how much discussion an idea is generating, though popularity isn't the same as accuracy. Click into any idea to read the full post. Most authors explain their setup, mark key levels, and include notes about potential invalidation or targets. Look for clarity in the chart annotations, consistency between the text and the drawing, and whether the rationale is grounded in a method you understand. Use these ideas as inspiration and education, not as signals to copy. Always do your own research and consider your risk. From here, you can return to the top tabs and move between popular editor's picks for you and following to compare perspectives. Over time, this flow helps you spot recurring themes, refine your watch list, and learn different approaches to technical analysis. And that's how you find community ideas on TradingView with confidence and